Have you ever considered the impact your regular cleaning products have on the environment? It's a question that might make you pause and reflect. The truth is, many conventional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals can pollute our waterways, harm wildlife, and even contribute to climate change over time. But it's not just the environment that feels the brunt of these substances. These potent chemicals can also pose health risks for us, the users. From skin irritation to respiratory issues, the risk is real and it's present in our homes. But there's a bright side. We can choose a safer and greener alternative: eco-friendly cleaning solutions. These products are made from natural, biodegradable ingredients. They're gentle on our bodies and our planet, but tough on dirt and grime. So let's rethink the way we clean. Let's choose products that respect our health and the health of our environment. Switching to eco-friendly cleaning solutions is a small step with a huge impact on our planet. Creating your own eco-friendly cleaning solutions is easier than you might think. We're going to delve into an array of eco-friendly recipes today, starting with a versatile general-purpose cleaner. This requires distilled white vinegar, water, and your choice of essential oils. Begin by filling half a spray bottle with water, then fill the rest with vinegar. The vinegar's acidity is what makes this cleaner effective, as it can easily cut through dirt and grime. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil to give your cleaner a pleasant aroma. Lemon or lavender are popular choices. Give the bottle a good shake and there you have it, a simple, effective, and eco-friendly cleaning solution. Next, let's prepare a lemon-based window cleaner. For this, you'll need the juice of 1 lemon, a cup of water, and a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix these ingredients well and pour into a spray bottle. Spray onto your windows and wipe clean with a dry cloth. The lemon not only leaves your windows sparkling, but also leaves a fresh, clean scent. Our third recipe is a baking soda-based scrub, ideal for tackling tougher cleaning tasks. You'll need baking soda, water, and some essential oils. Mix 3 parts of baking soda with 1 part water to create a thick paste. Then add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil. The grittiness of the baking soda combined with its natural deodorizing properties makes this scrub a must-have for any household. Use it to clean your kitchen sink, bathroom tiles, or even stubborn oven stains. Let's move on to our fourth recipe, a tea tree oil disinfectant. Mix a cup of water, half a cup of vinegar, and 20 drops of tea tree oil. This potent mixture can be sprayed onto surfaces and wiped clean to help keep your home germ-free. The best part of these solutions is that they're not only effective but free from harsh chemicals that can our environment. By using these recipes, you're not just cleaning your home but also committing to protect the environment. Now that you know how to make your own eco-friendly cleaning solutions, why not give it a try? Imagine the satisfaction of reducing your exposure to harsh chemicals while also playing your part in conserving the environment. It's a win-win. Plus, these solutions are not just effective, but they're also kind on your pocket. So go ahead, mix up these natural ingredients and revel in your homemade cleaning magic. Share your experiences with these recipes in the comments below. Let's make our homes and our planet cleaner together.